All right, Galaxy fans, hold on to your seats because the future of smartphones is right around the corner. We're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. And thanks to a juicy new leak, we finally have our first real look at these upcoming devices. If you're ready for rounded corners, cutting-edge chips, and even a sneak peek at Samsung's next-gen software, stay with me because this is going to get exciting. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Introducing the Kokushu X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel-ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Kokushu, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at kokushu.co. Let's back to our video. So, less than 4 months to go until Samsung's big reveal, but it looks like we don't have to wait until 2025 for some eye candy. Our favorite Samsung leaker, Ice Universe, dropped a bombshell on X by posting an image of the 3 main models. Yep, you guessed it. The S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra, casually chilling on a desk next to a keyboard. Simple but oh so satisfying. Now, we've seen renders and dummy units before, but this is different. This feels real. All 3 devices have plastic screen protectors slapped on, but here's the kicker. The S25 lineup is rocking some seriously rounded corners. Samsung's going all in on that smooth curved vibe, especially with the Ultra model. No more sharp edges, folks. It's like the Ultra decided to soften up for the new year. But don't get too comfy. While the Ultra's curves are indeed softer, they're still not as rounded as the regular S25 and S25 Ultras. It's like the Ultra wanted to be fancy but didn't quite want to lose all its sharpness. It's like that one friend who tries to be laid back but still has to dress up for every event, you know? Now, while Ice Universe didn't spoil us with more images, we've had other leaks this week to keep our imaginations running wild. Word on the street is that Samsung might be switching things up in the chipset department. For the S25 and S25 Plus, we could see the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset taking over, while the Ultra will still flaunt the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. It's like Samsung's saving the best chips for its fanciest model because, well, of course they are. And it doesn't stop there. One UI 7 is in the works, and we've gotten a peek at what the software will look like on these shiny new devices. The public beta is dropping before the end of 2023, so we'll get to play with it soon enough. Sadly, this latest leak didn't give us a glimpse of the back of the phones, so no details on the camera arrays or any other design changes just yet. But knowing Samsung, they've got a few surprises up their sleeve. The S25 series is expected to officially break cover in January 2025, so we won't have to wait too long for all the juicy details. And that's your first look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup. If you're hyped about those rounded corners or curious about that chipset switch, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more leaks, rumors, and the official reveal of the S25 series in January. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Stay tuned, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.